Welcome everyone. In my previous video, I taught some topics about Harappan civilization, such as Harappan settlement, sources of information, and life of the people. Now, in this video, we will learn more about this civilization. So, the first topic is the cities of the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley people built their cities with proper planning and according to a set पैटर्न मीन्स जो बिल्डिंग्स एंड हाउसेस बिल्ट होते थे वो एक जैसे पैटर्न पे बिल्ट होते थे और प्रॉपर प्लानिंग के साथ में बिल्ट होते थे एंड द हाउसेस एंड बिल्डिंग्स वर मेड अप ऑफ मड एंड क्ले ब्रिक्स एंड जो सिस्टम था उनका बेकिंग का ब्रिक्स का वो ओवन में होता था और वी कैन से किल में होता था. व्हाट इज किल? ये एक तरीके का ओवन ही है जिसको हम लोग यूज करते हैं क्ले को और ब्रिक्स को हार्ड बनाने के लिए. Clear? And the streets were wide and completely straight. मीन्स जो स्ट्रीट्स थी वो चौड़ी होती थी, जो मेन स्ट्रीट्स थी वो चौड़ी होती थी और स्ट्रेट होती थी और जो रोड्स होती थी वो आपस में एक दूसरे को राइट एंगल पे क्रॉस करती थी. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द हाउसेज. एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट देयर सिटीज वर वेरी वेल प्लान्ड. So the houses were 1 or 2 storied houses and you can see in this picture also they had 1 or 2 floored houses. Clear? Here 2 floored houses belongs to the richer people and these houses also had many rooms and a well also for water resource. Next is their drainage system which was very important part of this civilization. It had one of the best sanitation systems and that too 5,000 years ago. And it had advanced drainage system which means it was very well organized system of drainage. The drains were laid under the streets and were covered means जो drains थे वो open नहीं रहते थे, covered रहते थे और under the streets में वो run होते थे alongside the roads. And the kitchens and the bathrooms had drains which were connected to the street drains means जो उनके kitchens and bathrooms के जो drains थे वो भी connect रहते थे हमारे उनके street drains से. The drainage system of Harappa is very unique which indicates that Harappans paid a good deal of attention to health and cleanliness means उस टाइम पे भी वो लोग health पे sanitation पे means साफ सफाई पे बहुत अच्छे से focused रहते थे. The drainage system was so well planned that it could be compared with that of any modern city. Means उनके ड्रेनेज सिस्टम उस टाइम पे भी इतने अच्छे थे कि हम लोग उसको आज की मॉडर्न सिटी से भी कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट बिल्डिंग इन मोहनजोदारो was this great bath. It was the big water tank which looked like some large swimming pool. It means it was a special bath system which was used for religious purposes or for some special occasions by this civilization. And the most important building in Harappan was the great granaries. Granaries means storehouse of grains means godam where they used to store extra grains. So the granaries at Harappa and Great Bath and Mohenjo-daro was the important buildings. But after few hundred years, this civilization came to an end. But we don't know the exact reason why this civilization came to an end. What was the reason behind it? But we can say it might be some disease or some natural disaster like floods or earthquakes. Clear? So all these things show how much good this civilization was which was made years and years ago. I hope you all understood this chapter very well. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.